Thank you for coming, everybody. I think we're going to start our program now. If everyone could get seated. This is a real talkative bunch here tonight. So I'm really excited because every month I swear we get a whole different crew of folks coming. So thanks for coming out tonight. As always, in every event, there's always lots of chairs up front. So as everyone's settling in, I just want to remind you that this is live casted. So those who want to do networking in the back, your conversations will be picked up live. So they're not going to be so private anymore. So anyway, thank you for coming to our meetup. We've been doing this meetup now for about 3 years. We're really excited as we approach 2,500 members. So please encourage your community to join. This meetup, we really wanted to bring the topic of AI to the forefront and talk about how AI is creating what's next in government. So as an introduction, I'm the founder of this user community, active in just the Meetup community at large, and thought when we launched this product of Azure Government, I'm part of the Microsoft Azure Government product team here in DC, that the best way that we could learn about cloud, so it's been 4 years now, and about what we're doing in government is to share in an open forum, a non-sales kind of environment where all of you could come here and share your stories. So thank you for sharing that time tonight. Vishwas Lele is also a founder, and he's a Microsoft MVP, but also the CTO of AIS. He couldn't join us tonight, but he's always open for questions that you may have on any of your projects, as well as myself. Why are we here? Really, it's about sharing those best practices about what you're doing. I always ask all of you, as you are working in your projects in government, if you want to share them in this forum, please come to me afterwards, and we will do our best to get you in these programs. So any feedback, we're open to that. So we definitely want to discuss what's new in the platform, highlight any events. We like to bring up both government and our partner ecosystem up as well. So I want to thank all the speakers in advance for volunteering your time and energy to contribute to this user community group. With that, we always want to invite you to come back. We're working on some exciting topics for May and June. So these are the dates. We're going to be back at this location. So we hope to find you here. If you like to tweet, it's hashtag AzureGovMeetup. So you'll find a lot of our chatter there. I think someone talked to me at the beginning of the session like we weren't invited. This is an open forum for everyone. So please invite whoever you like to these meetings. So as far as announcements, if you haven't seen our blog, Azure Government Secret Private Preview was announced, as well as the expansion of DoD IL5. We also made generally available the DataBox Edge and DataBox Gateway, so check those out when you have a chance. If you want to attend a Microsoft event, we have builds coming up in May. For our partner community, we have Microsoft Inspire in July. And then we also will be at some industry events. So if you're going to Suffolk or GeoEnt, we'll be there as well. But you can find us here every last Wednesday every month. So that's good as well. So with that, we have a really exciting program tonight. And hopefully everyone got a chance to sample the cookies tonight. I think Uche and Kevin will talk about that later, but they will have a great demo on knowledge mining with Azure. So we like to keep it open. So as you have some questions, we can keep that dialogue going with this community. And then we have a panel discussion on how AI is really creating what's next in government. And we've got a jam-packed panel of folks that are doing leading edge things in government. We can answer most of your questions, maybe not all, but we'll do our best. So with that, we'll just start our program. Thank you for coming.